3 signs of a true disciple. Are you growing as a disciple? The word disciple may sound intimidating to anyone, but the truth is, it means that you are a constant learner. And being a true disciple of Jesus Christ shows with these 3 signs. Number 1, a disciple learns from Jesus daily. You read the Bible and spend time with Him on a daily basis, not just once a week during Sunday sermons. John 8:31 says, "If you abide in my word, you are truly my disciples." Number 2, a disciple follows Jesus even when it's uncomfortable. Obedience isn't always easy. 1 Samuel 15:22 says, "And Samuel said, Has the Lord as great delight in burnt offerings and sacrifices as in obeying the voice of the Lord? Behold, to obey is better than sacrifice." Following Jesus and obeying His commandments is the path to growing as His disciple. Number 3, a disciple helps others grow. That means you develop other people to make disciples as well. It's not just the work of the pastor to help others grow in faith, it's every Christian's job to share the gospel and make disciples. True discipleship isn't about being perfect, it's about following Jesus and learning from Him every day. Want to grow deeper as a disciple? Follow us at Grace School of Theology. The Lord bless you and the Lord keep you.